Hi guys, so it's my sister's birthday today, so she decided to spend her birthday skydiving. Good for her. So I'm just gonna be here to support her, and I'm gonna stay on the ground and pray for her. Skydive Dubai, and this is my sister. It's her birthday, so my sister asked me to take a picture of her here. Why? Is it your first time? Huh?
Welcome to my vlog, Kamanga. Hello.
Oh no, Kamanga is joining me. Siyempre. Oh my god, they're ready. Are you guys excited? Okay, good for you. I heard it's gonna rain today. Say hi muna kasi. May si Kamanga, may video na daw ka Kamanga. Oh. Okay, so now we're gonna go inside. Say hi Kamanga. Hi kasi Najaya. Baba. So we're still waiting for Kasim and Jaya's flight. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm gonna interview the two flyers. So yung dalawang lilipad ngayong araw. Pinagalan na lang. So you're excited, okay. So what do you expect when you are already up there? Are you expecting to fly more or go down? How about you, birthday girl? What are you feeling? As an nonchalant.
Are you expecting that you will be scared when you're up there?
Sort of. Baba, wag naman yung chan ko naman. Parang ang kapal-kapal.
You're supposed to be gay for that part.
Kasim.
That's the lightest person.
How is it? How's the experience? Do you want to do it again?
Of course, why not?
Why not? Okay, I will do it. Okay, I will do it next year. Okay, I will do it next year. Kasi mama may discount.